This is the Lockpicking Lawyer, and what I have for you today is a Kryptonite product that I didn't know of before I spotted it on the shelf of my local Walmart. This is the Kryptonite TKO Folding Lock 100. At first glance, it appears very similar to many other folding bike locks, but there are a few features that are worth noting. First, this has a core that I've never seen in any other Kryptonite product. It actually looks similar to the cores used in on-guard products, but the key is about 50% wider. I'm not sure if this is something we'll be seeing more of in the future, but to be honest, I really like the core we're seeing in Kryptonite's new U-locks better. The other interesting feature here is the presence of washers in between the individual plates. This is something that may complicate attacks which attempt to split those plates, and I've only seen this feature on the Abus Bordeaux 6500, which is a far more expensive lock. Okay, all that said, let's get to picking and see what it takes to open this up. We have a shutter in front of that keyway. We'll probably be able to hold that open with our tension wrench, so let's get that in there. Okay, that seems to work. And I'm going to be using a standard hook in 18 thousandths, inserting it sideways and turning it to lift up the sliders in here. I'm going to start on the left bank of 4 sliders. Number 1 is binding. I think I got a click out of him. Little click on 2. Click on 3. And click on 4. Back to the beginning. Nothing on 1. Number 2 is binding. Got a click there. And a fair amount of movement on the core. That may mean that this left side is all set. Okay, let's move over to the right. Okay, little click out of 1. Number 2, click out of 2. Nothing on 3, click out of 4, and a fair bit of movement on the core there. Let's check all those sliders on the right side. Let's go back to the left. Maybe I missed something over there. They all feel set. Let me check the right one more time. Number 4 is binding. You know, we had so much movement. This may just be a false gate. Yep, 4 is definitely binding. I may have set him. Let me check the other sliders. 1, 2, 3. Nope, 4 is still binding. Okay, I think I set number 4, but I definitely dropped some other sliders. That was 1. Click out of 2. Click out of 3. Click out of 4, and there we go, opened it up. Okay, folks, as you saw, this wasn't too bad a pick, but I do think I felt a fairly deep false gate in there on the number 4 slider on the right side, which does render this considerably harder than similar cores than you would find in locks like On Guard and others. In any case, that's all I have for you today. If you do have any questions or comments about this, please put them below. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. And as always, have a nice day. Thank you.